Today we are going to compare Heptabase with Scrintal to find out which one is the best. So these both are visual note-taking and personal knowledge management tools that use a linear card-based system to help users organize and contact ideas. Now, we will first talk about Heptabase. Heptabase is a blog-based system with features like boards within boards and a daily page that function as an Xbox. It works offline and sends later data is stored locally by default. Its key features are Readwise integration, a daily page for tasks, and tag-based databases that can be turned into Kanban boards. It provides a more organized and user-friendly export system with separate folders and included images, unlike Scrintal's export. It is best for deep learning, research, and users who need to work offline. Its another amazing feature is it offers a mobile application. Now we are going to talk about Scrintal. It's a card-based visual system with a focus on connecting nodes and building relationships. It requires an internet connection to Word but can be used from any browser or any device. Its key features are publicly shareable boards via secret URL and a real-time collaboration. Export is less organized and does not include non-text files like images and PDFs. It is best for collaboration, budget-conscious users, and those who need web-based access from any device. There is a drawback that it does not provide a mobile application, but a good point is that it is fully functional in a web browser on phones and tablets. So, Heptabase uses a block-based organization, which is good for deep learning and research with strong features like Readwise integration, offline capabilities, and a more organized export function. On the other hand, Scrintal is a more budget-friendly, card-based visual tool that focuses on sharing, collaboration, and web-based access from any browser, though the export feature is less functional. So it all depends on your needs. Select wisely. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.